In this video, I will share with you a simple tool that allows you to make any website get 90 plus website speed score on Google with 2 clicks in seconds. And I will show you how you can make money out of this tool while sitting at home working online. I struggled more than 2 years with my website speed. Google was showing like 40, 50, sometimes 20 as speed score. And you know, this has a direct impact on SEO, on traffic, on user experience. I lost a lot of sales and conversions because of this low speed. It was really a big struggle. And the big problem was that my website is a combination of a blog, a forum, an online store, a lot of complicated things, automations, 50,000 members. It's not that simple to optimize. I tried a lot without success. Until finally, I found the solution. A simple tool with 2 simple clicks in seconds made my website reach a score of 95 plus. It was amazing. It was like magic, really. Let me show you this magic. I have only 30 seconds to take this website from a speed score 54 to 90 plus. Let's start. So here I am in my WordPress dashboard. I will go here to plugins, add a new, and simply search for 10 web and install 10 web booster. Install now, activate, simply sign up and connect. If you don't have an account, just sign up, it's free. And now the tool will automatically optimize your website. Just wait for seconds. You can see we got 99. Let's go back to page speed insights, analyze again, and here we are. Really like magic. Don't forget, in a little bit I will tell you how you can make money out of this tool. I will share with you some ideas that you can turn this into business from home. Let's now go back to my dashboard, and you can see I migrated almost all my websites to this awesome service 10web.io. All my websites here, EMBounce, you know EMBounce? The website we built together in the online business series. All these websites, HEducate also is here. Everything, almost all my websites are now optimized with this awesome plugin. And what's really nice, you can start totally for free. It's free to start. Optimize your homepage with 5 extra pages on your website for $0. It's totally free. Go and test it right now. Let's go back to my dashboard. And if you open like EMBounce, for example, my new website, I migrated the hosting also. So my website is now hosted and optimized by 10web. Why? Simply because if you go to the pricing section here, for $10, you get all these features. AI builder, the automated page speed score. You get free image optimizations. You can get free backups, automated migrations, malware removal, SSL certificate, all these for free with this plan. And what's really awesome, what I liked more about this service is the 24/7 customer care, the support. Support is really awesome here. And with the agency plan that I run right now, you get VIP support. You can see here on Slack, I have a dedicated channel just for me for support. You have here live chat, you have email assistance. It's a great service. At least go and test the website optimization plugin. It's free. Go and test it right now. And if you compare the pricing with other services, with simple calculations, you will know you can save at least $50 to $100 per month compared to any other service with all these features. And to help you more, you can get an extra 10% discount if you use the coupon code in the description below. Anything else I can do? Let me know in the comment section below. Now it's time to see how we can make money out of this website. Let me share with you 3 ideas, and I believe the third one you didn't hear about before. Let's start with idea number 1. Number 1 is the affiliate program. If you go into affiliates, you can see you can earn up to 50% commission for the next 12 months recommending this platform. You will have live dashboard, performance reporting, personal affiliate manager, and a lot of assets to use in promoting. You can see you have videos, press kit, logos, visuals, so you can use this affiliate program. And if you refer like 1 customer for the agency plan, you can make around $3,000, only 1 customer per month. Small tip, to promote such platforms, you can create YouTube videos, you can create blog articles, reviews, comparison articles, tutorials, All these will help you promote these tools easily, and I explain this a lot in my affiliate marketing case studies and videos. Here on my channel, you can check them in the description below. The second idea is to freelance with this website. You can simply provide 3 freelancing gigs. Number 1 is speed optimization like we did today. Number 2 is WordPress installation. It's super easy here to create a website with 10 web. Simply create website and everything is automated. You have an AI builder. Just learn the platform in one day and start providing this as a service or a gig to your clients. And you can promote, as we learned in the freelancing tutorials, you can promote mainly with cold mailing and paid ads. What's awesome that takes us to the third idea today is the white labeling option in this platform. What is white labeling? I will keep adding in the description if you want to learn more, but in short, white labeling is simply you can use this service under your own brand name. As you can see in this screenshot here, whatever your website name is, whatever you want to name your own brand, you can simply add a logo and a name, and then whenever you use this plugin in your client's websites, it will appear under your own name. So you are selling a white labeled service under your brand name, and this is really very important if you are providing service to your clients. And the bonus for you today, if you are new here on my channel and you want to make $2,000 per month following a step-by-step guide, and for free you can follow up my full playlist here on my channel, and you can start with video number 1 today by clicking on this card here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, anything you want, comment them below or join us on Discord with the channel membership feature, and see you in the upcoming videos.